Hey guys, hey quarantine people, what are we all doing? Are we all watching YouTube videos? Because I am. Actually, no, I've been working on my taxes, so this is just a little break from the taxes situation. And I know they're not due for a little while, but I have this time now, so I'm just gonna stop procrastinating and get it done. So I worked on it all day yesterday, and I'll work on it tomorrow, or some more today, is what I meant to say. But I just wanted to hang out and make a little video. Okay, this is my hair. This is how I go to bed. I wear it, I throw it up in my little Old Maid bun. And so in the mornings, I let it down, assess the situation, and because I wash my hair like every 4 days. This lifesaver. Love this Pride powder. And there's so many different kinds of dry shampoos. It's whatever you want. I really like this because it's loose powder. You just, and then you can choose where you want it to be. I put it in my hands like this, just kind of rub it in where I need to. I guess I should take my hair down so you guys can see, but my nail. Yeah, I'll show you guys what's up. Actually, I need to grab my water bottle really quick too. Hold on. Hi. Got my water bottle. Okay, let's see what we got going on. Whoa. It's probably time for a bang trim. Okay, so I usually have a lot of volume when I take this down, and then it kind of settles in. But all the stuff that's a little bedheady, we're gonna spray that with some water. My bangs are a little, they need a little bit of direction, so we're gonna spray them down a little bit. We're just gonna reset it with some water. Let's get back in here. Okay. All right, working this stuff in. Then, depending on how much time you have, I don't really have any too crazy of cowlicks, so usually I can just wet this and like run around and do all my other stuff to get ready, and it usually dries okay. I have my growth pattern goes this way, so I sweep it all that way so I can get some volume. It doesn't stick to my head. If you have a cowlick, blow dry that sucker. So I'm actually gonna do a quick blow dry just to get this all done. So I will see you in a second. Okay. Hi. Okay, so blow dry. Hey, might be time for a little bang trim too. Okay, so we're a little greasy. Usual. Let's throw some in our bangs. And I'm sure so many of you guys already know, but if you stop conditioning your roots, your hair will last so much longer. Just throw some conditioner like here down, okay? You don't need it on your roots. Your scalp already does that, conditions your hair. So you're doing like double duty on that. If you're always wondering why your your scalp is so oily. And it'll take like, give it like 2 weeks, okay? Like let your body adjust before you're like, oh, it doesn't work for me. Okay, I know everyone's different. You just gotta find what works. Oh, here we go. And I actually use myself, since I have really fine hair, and I want some volume, but my hair is dry, you know? So I use a really light shampoo. Actually right now I'm using Olaplex, but from Bumble and Bumble, it's called Seaweed Shampoo, and it's mild. It just cleanses your hair. It's not very moisturizing, and I don't use the counterpart. I don't use the seaweed conditioner. It's very light, so I use a heavier conditioner. Usually like Super Rich, or like the Quenching from Bumble and Bumble, but that's just one product line. You can find something else that works for you, but try to keep in mind like something light for shampooing, just because I don't want a bunch of moisture in here. I just want to get clean lightly, a light clean, like not anything. There's a little something on my nose. A light clean, so you just like, so it doesn't strip all your natural oils from your scalp either. So then, because that alternatively makes your body work harder to re-moisturize your scalp, because you took all the moisture out with a harder working shampoo, you know, like a more cleansing shampoo, if you have something like that. So hope that makes sense. Anyways, not so bad, right? It was kind of crazy when I first took my hair down, but now I feel like I'm like ready to go. I could use a little bang trim, so I'll probably do that soon. But you know, do a little sweep like that. I think we're done. Yeah, not so bad, huh? I mean, I like some texture, so I'll usually put a little oil in the ends or something. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, there we go. But anyways, I hope that helps. Like, so easy, guys. Like, this is all you need. And a squirt bottle. I mean, you could honestly just put some water in your hands and do that whole thing. But yeah, hope that gives you guys some inspiration. Texture hair, having your own type, like own wave is totally in. Like, whatever you've got, like try to emphasize. You can even, if you got a weird wave, if it's still damp, you could like twist it, pin it up while it's air drying, use a blow dryer and give it some encouragement. My hair's not really curly on its own, so I have to usually give it a little encouragement, or just curl it and wear that for like 3 days. So yeah, I got our tricks. Anyways, enjoy your quarantine, and I'll see you soon.